Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and would you like it to be easier to set up your car?
This ARTIPOLY foam gun was awesome. You have the main bottle that has a straw to get all of the suds. You can put soap and water or a cleaning solution in it. You have the gun nozzle that really does such a great job spraying out. The gun part has an adapter option that you can have on or take off depending on what you are attaching. It's easy to connect it to the bottle and to your hose. What's great about this gun is that you can choose how much suds. You can go from 0 all the way up until you get the desired soapiness. And then you just sud that puppy up, whether it's your car or your car mats. It's so great to be able to spray it. And then, like I said, turn it to 0 and you can make sure just water comes out. So now you don't have to switch out when you're going from soaping to rinsing, which I really appreciated how seamless this made washing our car and our mats. It is so important to me to be able to keep our vehicle clean on our own. There's not many car washes nearby us. So I just loved how easy this made for us to be able to give our car a good, nice clean. And what a difference it made from the top to the bottom. It even comes with its own microfiber brush that you can clean the outside and the inside. And just look at the difference. Our car was so dirty and now it looks good.
To get that nice, quick clean of your car. And that's my point of view.